Welcome to Broadcom Business Outcomes, demonstrating how to achieve your business results using Broadcom enterprise software. Today we'll demonstrate how to achieve faster mean time to repair using AI Ops, probable root cause identification. All enterprises need to ensure services and systems are available for customers when needed. In the modern world, critical business services depend on increasingly complex and interdependent technical infrastructures, such as large enterprise networks and multiple distributed services. Your enterprise's ability to quickly and easily pinpoint and triage issues is critical to achieving fast mean time to restore and optimal user experience. Without insight into how services are performing, issues that are arising, and the cause of the issue, ideally the root cause of the issue, restoration of business services is unpredictable and expensive, often resulting in inefficient war room style gathering of your most valuable and scarce experts, disruption and delay of other planned priorities, negative customer experience, and revenue impact. Broadcom's AI Ops software provides a solution with probable root cause identification, facilitating the rapid achievement of the outcome your business needs, faster mean time to repair. Generating value by empowering Level 1 operations staff to quickly focus their attention on likely root cause without having to sift through thousands of alarms or logs and multiple point tools, and efficiently addressing the likely root cause rather than just the symptoms or a workaround. Let's take a look. From the Operational Insight Console in AI Ops, we get an overall picture of how services and systems are operating based on established thresholds. We can see here we have some issues, way too much red. As the operations lead responsible for the Boston SD-WAN, I can filter directly to those services. Then select SD-WAN. Here I can see issue history, including risk, availability, and health. Additionally, the noise reduction that the AI Apps platform is providing me through the application of machine learning algorithms. In our case, an 83% reduction in alarms. We can also look at the service topology to get a graphical view of the situation, highlighting the issue in Boston and showing the relationship to other components. We can return to the issue by clicking here and here. By selecting the alarm, we get an overview, including when the alarm occurred, how long it's been going on, all of the services impacted, and the amount of noise reduction the tool is providing. So now we know a lot about the issue, but we need to know how to best resolve it, ideally by understanding what the root cause is. By selecting View-Related Alarms, we can see all of the alarms related to the issue. Most importantly, we can see the probable root cause, as highlighted here. This is what we need to fix to achieve fast MTTR. Let's get some more information by selecting the alarm. Again, lots of useful information. Most importantly, recommended remediations. Here is one of the ways we can take action and immediately start the restoration of service process. Probable root cause identification, provided by AI Ops, is instrumental in achieving the business outcome of faster mean time to restore. No need to wait for customers to tell us about an issue, gather a war room of experts from across the company, or struggle to determine the root cause. We immediately saw the issue and took action to resolve it. This can often occur before customers or business services are impacted, achieving the faster and more efficient mean time to restoration outcome your business needs. Learn more about how Broadcom can help you achieve your business goals. Visit Broadcom's Digital Hub today.